It's not doing it. Okay, when?
Is it getting worse? Dr. Cramden needs to talk to you. Would you speak to Dr. Cramden?
What do I say?
Just tell him how you feel about the hiccups. He's a scientist.
I like them because they feel funny.
They feel funny?
Yeah.
Huh.
And what makes it feel funny?
You're not in the car, so they shouldn't hurt.
Oh my God. We have Old Child.
What do you want to hear, cameras? Stop it with the noise! Can I watch my soap opera? What's your problem, Missy? What's your problem? I can't sit right, excuse me.
Does it bother you, old child?
Yes, very much.
Well, what are we supposed to do?
Call the cops.
Wait a minute, you... Hey, wait.
I need my glasses. I'll be back.
Why don't you like her having the hiccups? Do they bother you?
Very. You're annoying. Very so...
Why do they bother you, old child?
They're annoying beyond belief. I don't think kids are in my house anymore.
Well, what about the young whippersnappers?
Oh, the youngsters. I hate the playing.
You hate the plane?
Playing.
They play.
Yes.
And the hiccups don't help, do they?
No, they don't at all. What was the question?
Well, what is it about the children these days?
They get all hopped up on Coca-Cola, Jolly Ranchers and such, and whatnot, and grab their mother's car and joyride forever. Yeah, it includes you. And I'll get you, young and I'm very slow, and I'll get you.
I'll get you, Holden.
Why are they so fast?
Because they're young. And maybe she has power from the hiccups. Go catch her. Oh my God, she's fallen and she can't get up.
I'm falling, I can't get up. Help me.
It's not fair to make fun of the old people.
Mockery to your elders, shame on you. What's the word?
Your family?
No, you're funny. Yes, that's it.
What's that? Where were you born, elderly child?
Honestly, I don't know.
You don't remember?
What was the question?
Where were you born?
Oh dear.
Rhode Island?
No, that's not it.
Afghanistan?
No.
Iowa?
Iowa. Iowa.
You can't remember where you were born.
Wait.
Florida.
Wait, no. Idaho.
Idaho?
Yes, that's it.
Well, that's good. It's good to see you smile.
Dentures.
Yeah, good dentures.
Bad ones, actually. They're all crooked. What is the question? What was the question?